This goes out to the firefighters who goes through a burning building to help those that can't help themselves. This goes out to the policeman or the policewoman who serves and protect those who don't have the ability to protect themselves. This goes out to all of those men and women who serve, both far and near, on the front lines. This goes out to our military men and women who give it all. This goes out to those that never made it home. This goes out to the families that will never see their loved ones again. We must never forget those who put it on the line. We must never forget those who are unselfish and being able to contribute what they contribute each and every day. How can we not recognize them? How can we not recognize what they do? Why does it have to just be one particular day that we honor them? It should never be a one-day thing. Without these people who serve, without these people that give it their all, how can we do what we do? Somebody got to do the job. They made it up in their minds. They made it up in their minds and in their hearts that this must be done. And they are willing to do what is necessary to get the job done. Think about those kids out there that may not ever see their parents again. Whether if it was the mother or the father who may have lost their lives in the line of duty. Doesn't matter what you believe in. Doesn't matter how you feel about certain things. Somebody has to be out there. Somebody has to be willing to go through it. Somebody has to be willing to sacrifice. Sometimes these people never come home. This is the time that we must recognize them. We must recognize those families that may never see their loved ones again. Oh yes, it's true.